I request Asha Venugopal ma'am, unmute yourself, please. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Then we start, please.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone, and thanks for being present here on the behalf of the whole team of Rotary Club of Nasik Smart City. And I take this immense pleasure to invite to address you all for the whole event, and I'll be your host for this little span of the time. So here we start with it. I request Rotary President Aparna Maravar ma'am to call the meeting to order.
Meeting call to order.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Now I ask her to start with her welcome speech, please.
Thanks, Tanvi. मी प्रेसिडेंट रोटेरियन अपर्णा मारावर, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नाशिक स्मार्ट सिटी कडून सगळ्यांचे हार्दिक स्वागत करते. आपल्या सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट DGND आशा वेणुगोपाल मॅम, फर्स्ट लेडी जुमाना मॅम अँड अपकमिंग फर्स्ट लेडी मोनिका मॅम, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेक्रेटरी टोबी मॅम, GML एडिटर खुशनूरजी, रोटरीचे उपस्थित मान्यवर, रोटरी सदस्य, रोटरी फॅमिली मेंबर्स, फ्रेंड्स अँड रोटरॅक्ट मेंबर्स, सगळ्यांचे रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नाशिक स्मार्ट सिटी कडून हार्दिक स्वागत करते. गुड इव्हिनिंग टू ऑल. पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशनमुळे झूमची गोल्डन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी गॅप करत आम्ही आतापर्यंत अनेक नवनवीन उपक्रम घेतले आणि खऱ्या अर्थाने रोटरी ओपन्स ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी म्हणत एन्जॉय करत आलो. स्मार्ट सिटी रोटरी क्लबने अतिशय उत्तम कार्यक्रम आजपर्यंत घेतले. स्टार ग्रेझिंग, कपडा बँक, बजेट वेबिनार, ब्लाइंड बुक डोनेशन आणि इतर अनेक. आणि उद्या ते स्वतः चॉकलेट आणि सँडविच तयार करून सिग्नलवरच्या निडी मुलांना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करणार आहे. अतिशय उत्तम, एकापेक्षा एक सुंदर, उपयुक्त आणि इनोव्हेटिव्ह कार्यक्रम रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नाशिक स्मार्ट सिटीचे सदस्यांनी घेतले. त्यांचे अभिनंदन आणि कौतुक आणि खूप शुभेच्छा. मार्च हा वॉटर आणि सॅनिटायझर रोटरी मंथ. नाशिक जिल्ह्यातील माळेगाव या दुर्गम भागात असलेल्या जिल्हा परिषद शाळेतील विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी स्वच्छता ही सेवा, निर्जल पृथ्वी, पाणी वाचवा जीवन वाचवा विषय देऊन चित्रकला स्पर्धा आयोजित केली होती. विद्यार्थ्यांचा अतिशय उत्स्फूर्त सहभाग होता. कल्पकतेने काढलेले चित्र आणि त्यातून समाजाला मिळणारा एक सामाजिक संदेश अतिशय सुंदर आणि बोलका होता. रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नाशिक स्मार्ट सिटी कडून यावेळी सॅनिटायझर स्टँड, नेल कटर, मास्क, सॅनिटायझर कॅन, लिक्विड सोप, स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट, फुटबॉल, टेनिकॉइट रिंग, स्पीकिंग रोप, चित्रकला साहित्य तसेच अनेक विद्यार्थी उपयोगी वस्तूंचे 150 मुलांना साहित्य वाटप करण्यात आले. तसेच शिक्षकांच्या कामाचे कौतुक करत भेटवस्तू देऊन त्यांनाही गौरवण्यात आले. शब्बीर सरांसोबत जुमाना मॅमने आमच्या क्लबला भेट दिली होती. जुमाना मॅम घरच्या जबाबदाऱ्या सांभाळून सरांसोबत प्रत्येक त्यांच्या कार्यात आपला अतिशय आनंदाने सहभाग नोंदवत प्रत्येक मीटिंग अटेंड करत होत्या. प्रत्येक सदस्यांसोबत अतिशय मितभाषी बोलत आपला सक्रिय सहभाग नोंदवत होत्या. त्यावेळेस त्यांची प्रत्येक गोष्ट आम्हाला मार्गदर्शनपर वाटत होती. त्यांच्या थोड्याशा सहवासातून कितीतरी चांगल्या गोष्टी आम्हाला शिकायला मिळाल्या आणि त्यांच्या टाइम मॅनेजमेंटचे कौतुक करावेसे वाटले. निश्चितच त्यांच्याकडून आज आपल्याला खूप काही शिकायला मिळेल. मोनिका मॅमने त्यांच्या अतिशय गोड आवाजात कार्यक्रमाला येण्यासाठी होकार दिला आणि त्यामुळे खूप खूप आनंद झाला. झुंझुनवाला सरांनी त्यांच्या मिश्किल स्वभावानुसार विचारले, मराठी राज्यभाषा दिवसाच्या दिवशी तुम्ही मोनिका मॅमला इन्व्हाइट केले, त्यांचे मराठी तुम्हाला समजले का? मला त्यांना सांगावंसं वाटतं, माझ्या मराठीचा शब्दकोश मोनिका मॅमच्या गोड हिंदी मराठी शब्दाने आणखी समृद्ध झाला. आशा वेणुगोपाल मॅम कोणत्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये ऑलवेज स्माइलिंग आणि सपोर्टिव्ह असतात. चॅलेंज हे बदलायचे आहे आणि बदल हे एक आव्हान आहे. असे अनेक आव्हान पेलणाऱ्या आजच्या आपल्या तिन्ही मान्यवर महिला DGND आशा वेणुगोपाल मॅम, फर्स्ट लेडी जुमाना मॅम अँड मोनिका मॅम यांचे वुमन डे इव्हिनिंगला मी रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नाशिक स्मार्ट सिटी कडून हार्दिक स्वागत करते. पुनश्च एकदा सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करते आणि महिला दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा देऊन कार्यक्रमाची पुढील सूत्रे रोटरॅक्ट प्रेसिडेंट तन्वी शेटेकडे देते. हॅपी वुमन्स डे टू ऑल ब्युटिफुल लेडीज. धन्यवाद. ओव्हर टू तन्वी शेटे. तन्वी अनम्यूट कर तुला.
थँक्यू. ऍक्च्युली ते ह्याचा प्रॉब्लेम होत होता. ओके. So moving forward, I would like to introduce our interviewer, Khushnur ma'am. So Khushnur ma'am was born and studied and married in Nagpur. She studied law and journalism. She worked as a reporter and leading sub-director in Nagpur in her early years. She is married to PP Dr. Sanjeev Chuk, a pediatrician. They have a son and a daughter. Earlier on, Kushnur ma'am worked as an administrator at their nursing home and founded Flourish, a plant studio. Passionate about gardening, she is now working on it with all seriousness. Need Fond of needlework, painting, etc. She loves everything about it. She loves to dabble in anything to do with swing and art. She was president of RCN in 2015-16 and has been the editor of the club's Golden Orange magazine multiple times. Having experience editing the GML earlier, she is presently enjoying the assignment of editing the GML yet again. So it's our honor to have you here, ma'am. And I would like to hand you over the session for the interviews now.
Thank you so much, Tanvi. Good evening, everyone. Shubh Sandhya sabko. So today, on the eve of International Women's Day, we have three amazing women with us. They are the ones who have faced the challenge to change and changed to face the challenge. The lady to be spoken to first will be our ever smiling District Governor nominate designate Rotarian Asha Venugopal. Across the length and breadth of District 3030, she is the lady known to every Rotarian, Rotarian, and Rotakid. Welcome, Asha. So
Thank you.
You are on the hot seat.
Yeah.
So should I start?
Sure. Shoot away.
Okay. President Aparna sent me our biodata and I was totally floored. Just over 10 years in Rotary and you have come so far, so fast. How did you manage it? Asha.
Well, if I have to start, I would like to start maybe from my childhood. If you ask my siblings, my nickname that they had for me was General Manager. So they used to feel, that I'm very bossy. And, I get my way, very determined. So basically, maybe right from childhood, I've always been that sort of a person. Even in school, I was always the monitor of our house. And later on, even when I became big, we used to take part in all sorts of activities, whether it be dramatics, whether it be sports. And I used to do quite good. That continued in college also. And then, of course, I got married, then got busy with my domestic life. And later on, it so happened that I noticed that most of my friends were already in Rotary. And I was quite impressed by all the work that was being done. And it was in 2010 that I joined Rotary. And even I have done my journalism. I did my journalism at the age of 46, actually. When I was in Pune, my son was studying in Pune and I was there. I didn't have anything else to do. So I joined, took this course for journalism. And I'm happy to say that I came second in the university. And I also did a small stint with Sakal in Pune. I was one of the sub-editors. I used to write articles for them. So when I joined the club, it was but natural that, I took over the magazine. And it so happened that I got into the ladder very early. And yes, I've always loved to do a lot of maybe bossing around a little bit also, you can say. And it just so happened that it was in 2015 that this idea was put into my head that why don't you look, think about it, about becoming the governor. And yes, there are other ladies also who are equally and more capable than me. I remember having this talk with Toby. I'd asked her, that are you interested? If you're interested in becoming the governor, then I will step back. So she said, no, you please go ahead. And yes, it just so happened that I got the right kind of support. And here I am today with all blessings of all the people in the members of the district.
I suppose your determination and leadership qualities have got you so far.
Yeah.
And your towering personality, always smiling, as you were introduced.
Yes, I have to thank my parents for that, I guess. And of course, I've got a lot of support from my family.
That's of course, that's very important. Without that, you can't move on in anything. Yes, yes. Asha, you don many hats. Wife, mother, mother-in-law, grandmother, industrialist, a journalist, a Reiki practitioner, most importantly, a Rotarian, and much more. Your biodata has a long list of your qualifications. सुना ladies, टीजी बनने के लिए ये सब चीजों का मिश्रण बहुत जरूरी है. ये चीज हमने आशा जी से सीख कर याद रखना है. So Asha, what is your secret formula? अब तक secret formula तो बताया नहीं.
Well, as far as there's no secret as such.
How do you manage?
As far as Reiki is concerned, yeah. Actually, I got into spirituality in 1998. Till then, I was so busy with setting up the house and business. Yes, I was very active in our business at that time. And it was in 1998 that I lost my brother to a road accident. And that's when I realized, what is life? In the morning, he got out of the house. He said he's going to work, and he came back in a totally different way, So that really sparked something inside me. I said, we have all these petty fights and, petty egos and everything. And finally, what is life? That's how I got into spirituality to a large extent. And it was maybe after a year or so that I started taking a backseat even from the business. Children were growing up. I needed to give them some more time. And then slowly, I got into Reiki because of my nephew. My sister's son, Amit, he was very much into Reiki. At a very young age, he was into Reiki. And he sort of motivated us, to get into Reiki. And I feel is that Reiki has given me a lot of, like you say, that sthirata grounded me. It grounded me a lot in life and has given a totally different perspective to life. And that may be one of the reasons why I have been able to multitask. Otherwise, also as women, we are multitaskers. We can multitask, and this has really grounded me. And of course, having the pleasure of having your grandchildren and everyone around you, it really helps a lot. It's a real stress buster. And I always say that I'm very lucky that I have both my children in Nashik only. So I have the pleasure of meeting them and meeting my grandchildren almost on a daily basis. And I find it quite easy, I guess if all these things are not there together, maybe I would not be able to perform like that. All these different challenges coming together has really pushed me, into trying to do better and better. And even like I say, even at this age, my children really depend a lot on me. Sometimes I always say, if I was not around, what would you people do? So, that is what is really keeping me on in all these different roles. And of course, like I always say that I have done what I have to do for them. So now I am free to devote myself to society, doing what I love the most. That is it.
So basically, spirituality has put you in a very happy, calm state of mind, because of which you are able to handle all these
absolutely.
roles very comfortably.
Yes, yes. There was a time when I used to go to a factory. Running an industry is not easy, and every phone call, and you feel that you are the cause of it. Something is not happening. Somewhere that when fear used to set in. But after doing Reiki and all these things, I'm able to cut myself off. Not only as far as the industry is concerned, but even other challenges that come in life. I'm able to cut myself off when I know, okay, no, I'm not the cause for this. So I need not take that tension. I'd rather give my attention to somewhere else where it is needed more. So that I'm able to do because of Reiki. That has really helped me a lot.
I guess your learning of Reiki and your spiritual bent of mind ultimately shows on your face. The glow on your face shows the calmness in your mind. So, of course, as you also said, women do play many roles. They have to adjust all the time, adjust to everyone in the family, adjust to their other duties, whatever. What advice would you give them to successfully face all these challenges? You have come a long way. You have handled all the situations, and you are in the right place to tell them कि इतनी सारी चुनौतियों का सामना हम लेडीज कैसे कर सकती हैं?
It is definitely not easy to do it, but as I said, my advice to them would be, because as women, especially as homemakers, we sort of tend to take each and every one's responsibility to the extent that if something is not happening, like I said, we start feeling that we are responsible for that, and we should have done this or we should have done that. And the more you do that, the more you're going to get accused. People are going to tell you, nahi, tumko ye karna chahiye tha, ki tumko wo karna chahiye tha, tumne ye nahi kiya, isliye, these things have happened. So, like I said before, you have to learn to cut off. You have to learn and you have to let go. Don't try to run everyone's lives for them. Let them run their own lives. After a certain stage, they have to, pay for the consequences for what they are doing. We can't keep trying to, bear their consequences. When you are needed, be there. When they ask for your advice or help, give it to them. Otherwise, let them run their lives, because that is the only way they will learn. We have also learned the same way, so they will also have to learn by making their own mistakes. So it's better to, just sit back and relax a little bit.
बेसिकली आशा आप जो कह रही है कि अपने आप को आप अलग कर लो बाकी लोगों के मामलों में से.
Yeah, don't try to take on everyone's problems.
बराबर, उनको अपनी ड्यूटीज खुद निभाने दो, और जब कभी उनको आपकी जरूरत पड़ेगी आप जरूर आगे जाकर उनको मदद कर सकते.
Definitely.
So, ladies, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है हम लोगों के लिए कि अपने आप को कट ऑफ करना बाकी लोगों की जरूरतों से. एक होम मेकर के लिए, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल लेडी के लिए मुश्किल है, पर अगर हम अपना भी सोचे तो ये करना बहुत जरूरी है. So we have to keep this in mind to be able to do what Asha here is able to do.
अपनों के लिए, I would like to say, अपनों के लिए ही बहुत जरूरी है.
Exactly.
Only that it has to be, you have to learn to cut off.
Absolutely, spot on. And lastly, before we let you go, Asha, who is your role model in Rotary?
Actually, more than who is my role model, I would like to say what has inspired me. Because there are many role models that you've got to see. There is particular individual who has done something that has been very, something that has impressed me. But I would like to say what has impressed me or inspired me in Rotary is the fantastic work that we are doing. When you see a good project that has been executed, successfully, and it has really benefited a lot of people, that is what pushes me on, and that is what inspired me to even join Rotary. Because our club had done some beautiful projects. They had adopted a village and they had done this project on malnutrition for malnutrition children. That was one of the projects that really inspired me. and I used to keep hearing them talking about the different projects. So it is all these projects that we are doing, that has really inspired me and that pushes me on to, yes, there's a lot of work to be done even today for the many people who really need it. So that is what has inspired me.
Thank you so much, Asha, for all your counsel. I'm sure
Thank
you will have a good flock ready. A good
Yes, I
flock.
hope so, yes.
Women, should I say? Or women and men?
Men, yes, definitely, because that is another thing I would like to say is that men and equal, all of us are on the same path,
Yes.
Yes, women do need to be pushed a little bit more, maybe because we have been in the background.
Yeah.
But I think we complement each other. So
Exactly.
both equally.
Exactly. So thank you so much. Stay safe, take care, and it was nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here. Thank you.
And now, of course, the next one to be here before us is Rotarian Monica Jhunjhunwala,
Okay. Unmute your
wife
phone,
of
please.
Dr. Anand Jhunjhunwala, the TN. Welcome, Monica ji. Please unmute yourself.
मोनिका आप म्यूट करो.
Welcome, Monica ji.
हाँ, 1 मिनट प्लीज. उनका अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है, 1 सेकंड.
Make her the co-host.
Unmute yourself, ma'am, please.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
आज मौका मिला आपसे बातचीत करने का. अब पता चला हमारे फ्यूचर की फर्स्ट लेडी कौन है, कहाँ से है और क्या करते हैं. सुना है कि आपने पढ़ाई तो मैथ्स की थी, सही है?
बिल्कुल सही है.
और अब आप ऑप्थाल्मोलॉजी में लगी हुई है. ये बदलाव की वजह और आपको ये बदलाव करते हुए क्या चुनौतियों का सामना करना पड़ा था?
एक्चुअली मेरी शादी एक ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट से हुई. साथ तो देना ही था जिंदगी में, तो सोचा क्यों ना उनकी फील्ड में कुछ करूं. तो दिन भर हॉस्पिटल में ये रहते थे और मुझे भी साथ देना ही था. तो मैं ओपीडी में भी गई, थोड़ा सा टाइम स्पेंड किया, देखा ओपीडी में क्या प्रोसीजर होती है. ओटी में भी गई और ओटी में भी सब देखा, कैसे सर्जरी होती है, क्या इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं, साइंटिफिक नाम पता चल गए. तो फिर थोड़ा सा ट्रेनिंग लिया और उसके बाद मैं असिस्ट करने लग गई ओटी. फिर ओटी असिस्ट करने के लिए मुझे डिग्री भी चाहिए थी. सोचा क्यों ना पढ़ाई कर लूं उसके लिए. फिर मैंने इसके लिए एग्जाम दी, ऑप्थेल्मिक टेक्नीशियन असिस्टेंट का कोर्स किया और ऑफिशियली मैं अब इनको पूरा टाइम असिस्ट कर रही हूँ. सो चैलेंजिंग ऐसा कुछ भी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं था. मैथ्स मेरा बहुत पहले था और इसके लिए मुझे बायो की कोई पढ़ाई करनी नहीं पड़ी, कुछ नहीं. मैंने प्रैक्टिकली सब पढ़ के और प्रैक्टिकली देख के पूरा नॉलेज लिया और इजीली हो गया. ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्टी नहीं आई.
You think you can be a better ophthalmologist than Dr. Saab?
No, not an ophthalmologist, but I am best assistant to him.
तो आपकी धीरज और आपका डिटर्मिनेशन, परसिवियरेंस, इन सब क्वालिटीज के कारण ही आप एकदम फील्ड चेंज करके अपने आप को कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में ला ली हो, जहाँ की आप अपने पति परमेश्वर के साथ तो रह सकती हो पूरा टाइम, उनकी मदद कर सकती हो उनके काम में.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो अपने हस्बैंड के साथ काम करने में कोई दिक्कत या फायदा? मैं एक्सपीरियंस बात पूछ रही हूँ.
फायदा तो ऐसा है, अगर मैं वो फील्ड में नहीं जाती थी तो मैं जो सुबह इनको 8 बजे से छोड़ती थी तो सीधा रात को ही मिलती थी. अभी फायदा ये है, मैं आधे से ज्यादा टाइम इनके साथ रहती हूँ, तो मुझे भी थोड़ा सा वर्किंग का भी साथ रहता है और ऐसा लगता है कि हम हस्बैंड वाइफ साथ में टाइम बिताते हैं. और थोड़ा सा ऐसा ओटी में मैंने एक चीज सीखी है, चुप रहना है. थोड़ा सा टेंशन सबको रहता ही है। तो मेरी गलती रही तो भी मैं चुप रहती हूँ, मेरी नहीं गलती रही, मुझे डांट पड़ती है तो भी मैं चुप रहती हूँ, और सभी स्मूथली हो जाता है फिर।
तो जैसे बाकी असिस्टेंट्स को सर्जन्स डांटते हैं, वैसे ही डांट आपको भी सुननी पड़ती है क्या?
कभी कभी।
कभी कभी ना। तो क्या महसूस होता है जब दूसरे असिस्टेंट्स के सामने आपको?
नहीं, ऐसा पहले पहले थोड़ा सा लगता था, अब तो हैबिट हो गई है, और हमारे सब डॉक्टर्स एनेस्थेटिस्ट को भी हैबिट हो गई है कि चलता रहता है ये सब।
चलता है।
ऐसा कोई टेंशन नहीं रहता।
तो ओटी में जाने के पहले कुछ आपको मेंटल स्ट्रेस या ऐसा कुछ होता है कि सब ठीक
बिल्कुल
ठाक
नहीं,
हो जाए?
बिल्कुल नहीं, एकदम कूल हो गई हूँ मैं, और 20 इयर्स हो गए मुझे असिस्ट करते हुए, तो अब तो ऐसा नॉर्मल रूटीन बन गया है, मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं है।
तो आप रोटरी के भी आई कैंप्स वगैरह में जाती रहती है डॉक्टर साहब के साथ?
कभी कभी जैसा टाइम प्रेफर करता है वैसा कभी कभी जाती हूँ, ऐसे पूरे टाइम नहीं।
हम्म। तो पूरा टाइम हस्बैंड वाइफ साथ में रहना, आपको कभी मी टाइम की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती?
पूरा
कि-
टाइम नहीं रहती हूँ मैं, एक्चुअली मैं दोपहर में रहती हूँ, 2 o'clock से हम ओटी स्टार्ट करते हैं जब तक
Okay.
शाम तक, जब भी।
तो
तो
आपका balancing पूरा,
हॉलीडेज भी रहते हैं,
तो आपका
हॉलीडेज भी रहते
balance
हैं, हम उसमें एंजॉय करते हैं, संडे हमारी फ्री रहता है पूरा,
Okay.
तो वो रहता है टाइम, मैं
So-
अपने लिए टाइम जब निकाल लेती हूँ।
तो हाउस होल्ड ड्यूटीज एंड प्रोफेशनल ड्यूटीज बराबर डिमार्केट करी हुई है आपने?
बिल्कुल।
अच्छा, एक थोड़ा डेलिकेट क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ आपको।
ओके।
ये मुझे किसी ने कहा था आपसे पूछने, मैं नाम नहीं बोलूंगी जिसने बोला था मुझे पूछने के लिए। डॉक्टर साहब का काम तो लोगों की आंखों में देखना है, कई लोगों की आंखों में आंखें रोज ही मिलाते होंगे, पर जब आपकी आंखों से आंखें मिली उनकी पहली बार, तो उन्होंने आपको क्या बोला?
माय गॉड, दिस इज सो पर्सनल क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली।
I know it is personal, पर किसी ने मुझे पूछने बोला था, so I took it as an order, so I thought I
ओके।
wanted to ask you.
ऐसा मुझे तो नहीं याद आ रहा है कि ऐसा कोई इतना ज्यादा रोमांटिक ये कभी हुए हो, और होंगे भी तो ऐसा जताने का ये तो नहीं था उनका कुछ। पर हमारी शादी के बाद जैसे बहुत सारी फैमिली गैदरिंग्स या शादी के बाद फैमिली में शादियां होती है, तो उसमें हमें जरूर, जो पहले फिश पॉन्ड नहीं चलता था क्या कि टाइटल्स देते थे सबको, तो वैसे
हाँ।
हमको जरूर टाइटल मिले हुए हैं बहुत सारे, आंखों पे, आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, और निगाह वाला गाना, वो उसमें ऐसे बहुत टाइटल्स मिले हुए हैं। पर अभी की बात बताऊं तो मुझसे ज्यादा ये पेशेंट से, मेरी नजरों से ज्यादा ये पेशेंट की नजरों को और पास से और गौर से देखते हैं, और आजकल थोड़ा पंछियों में भी इंटरेस्ट हो गया है, तो पंछियों की आंखों में भी घुस रहे हैं।
ओह अच्छा। अच्छा हुआ ये आपने हमको बता दिया, फ्यूचर में काम आएगा आपको भी। अच्छा, अब आपको जब आप फर्स्ट लेडी बनेंगी,
ओके।
तब के लिए आपने क्या सोचा है? आपने कैसे प्लान किया है कि आप कैसे सब जगह अपने आप को पहुंचा पाएगी?
प्लानिंग वैसे तो
ज्यादा देनी पड़ेगी
हाँ
आपको?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा टाइम तो ज्यादा देना ही पड़ेगा, घर से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी बहुत है मेरी, तो उसे भी एडजस्ट करना ही पड़ेगा। वैसे हमारे घर में जॉइंट फैमिली है, मम्मी जी है, पापा जी है, तो इतना ज्यादा कोई टेंशन नहीं है। फिर भी इनकी प्लानिंग चालू है, तो साथ में मैं ज्वाइन करती हूँ, और मुझे लगता है अभी जुमाना भाभी और आने वाली फर्स्ट लेडी शारदा भाभी, उनसे भी मुझे कंसल्ट करना है और सजेशंस लेना है कि क्या प्लानिंग करना है उसके लिए और कैसे एडजस्ट करना।
शुक्रिया मोनिका जी, आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा।
थैंक यू
अब
सो
पहली
मच।
मुलाकात हमारी हो गई है, अब बार बार मिलते रहेंगे कोई ना कोई रोटरी
ओके
के
ओके
फंक्शन में।
ओके,
थैंक यू सो
थैंक यू।
तो चलिए, अब आएगा मजा। आज हमारी हॉट सीट पे सबसे आखिरी में है District First Lady Jumana Shakir. Jumana, kahan ho? Hi, Jumana.
Hello. Hi. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening to you. Looking lovely and fresh and ready to face the questions. So, Jumana, you became the first lady in most abnormal times. क्या सोचा होगा, क्या करना पड़ा, right? सोचा होगा डीजी तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट में चक्कर लगाएंगे तो घर पे पिकनिक होगी. अफसोस अब तो सब कुछ पलट गया. तो कैसा लगता है? How have you adjusted to this thought of the DG sitting at home and doing Zoom meeting?
सबसे पहले हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे टू एवरीबडी. जो आप क्वेश्चन पूछे खुशबू दीदी, आई वुड से इट्स डिफरेंट. साल डेफिनेटली डिफरेंट है, सबके लिए डिफरेंट है, एक चैलेंज है, बट ये भी एक अलग तरीके से हम लोग ने इसको थ्रू द ईयर प्रोग्रेस किया है. कहीं वर्क कोई तरीके से स्टॉप नहीं हुआ, एक डिफरेंट वे में वर्क हुआ है. There may have been challenges, but fortunately we've been able to overcome them and do everything in a better way. और मुझे ये लगता है कि we are the special people, Shabir and me, that हमको ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली कि हम ये सब कर सके इस वक्त. ये हमारे साल में अगर होना था तो हम उस चीज को जो भी हम प्रोजेक्ट्स कर सकते हैं और द नीड ऑफ द आवर जो है हम वो चीज सब कर सके इस वक्त. तो आई फील इट्स बीन अ गुड ईयर. ठीक है, मैं पहले सबसे नहीं मिल पाई, बट एज शब्बीर सेड कि वी विल मेक श्योर वी मीट एवरीबडी. सो हमने वो सिलसिला शुरू किया है and we are enjoying it. We are being able to meet everybody. We met them on Zoom, on the Zoom platform, and now physically भी हम मिल सक रहे हैं सबको.
Yes, indeed. So far, it's been a wonderful year. When one is following every step it takes, every activity that any club in the district undertakes, you do feel that though these are abnormal times, बहुत काम हो रहा है. सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो प्रोजेक्ट्स की जानकारी हमें जीएमएल में मिलती है, उस समय पता चलता है कि छोटे छोटे क्लब्स भी जो है उन लोग यूनिक प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हैं. और बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि इस समय भी हमारे रोटरी के पूरे मेंबर्स आगे बढ़ के इस ईयर का सामना किस तरह कर रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन, जुमाना, यू आर अ ट्रेन्ड टीचर. But now you are running a very successful boutique. How and why did this change take place from teaching to designing?
Yes, I did my MA and B.Ed. And I taught for 2 years. I enjoyed teaching. And when I got my daughter, I decided that I wanted to be with them. तो मैंने मेरा टीचिंग का सिलसिला छोड़ के मैं I was with them with my daughter, and then I realized that I was good at designing. I got orders from friends, and उस तरीके से ये पूरा मेरा जो पैशन था डिजाइनिंग का वो शुरू हुआ. And it's been 26 years now कि मेरा बुटीक है. और मेरी डॉटर ज़ारा जब बॉर्न हुई थी उसी के नाम से मैंने ये बुटीक स्टार्ट किया था, ज़ारा डिजाइनर क्रिएशंस. एंड आई एम वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट इट. एंड as Zara has grown, so has the boutique grown. A nice change,
Yes.
definitely.
You certainly are doing a fabulous job with your boutique. That's of course your passion, and it's obvious in your creations. And do you find it more satisfying teaching? I suppose yes.
Yes, definitely more satisfying. And I get to spend time with the family. And do my work as well. So I'm very happy.
Jumana, you come from a Rotary family. Your father, your brothers were Rotarians. And of course, now your husband is a top-notch Rotarian. And you have become a Rotarian from a Rotarian. You were a Rotarian for so many years and a very active one at that. What prompted you to become a Rotarian?
See, I enjoyed being a Rotarian, and I did a lot of work as a Rotarian. But I remember in your tenure, when Khushbu was the president, she asked me to become a Rotarian. So initially, I was like, what difference is it going to be? मैं Ann रहूँ या Rotarian रहूँ, it's not going to be any different. My work will still be there. But as she pursued it, and that's when I decided, okay, I'll come in, maybe I'll be able to serve better and I will have another designation. So that's how I became a Rotarian. But the work is still the same. As I work as much I was doing as an Ann, that has not stopped.
Yes, of course. Don't we all know that? How active you were and how active you are even now. And of course, it's a feather to my cap that you became a Rotarian in my term. Probably the first person that I proposed. तो अब तो एक म्यान में दो तलवार हो गई है ना? So how is it at home as Rotarians? Is Shabbir the perfectionist that he is always, as far as your being a Rotarian is concerned, as far as you working as a Rotarian is concerned?
Yeah, he's a perfectionist, come what may. Whether it is related to Rotary or related to the house, he's a perfectionist. So बाहर में तो definitely for everybody बहुत अच्छी चीज है. घर वालों के लिए थोड़ा सा difficult हो जाता है because he's love for time, as you all know, and ये चीज इधर की उधर की रहता है. But he has taught us a lot, and as a Rotarian, I've learned a lot from him. So I'm very happy that even though both of us are Rotarians, we each have our say. If मुझे कुछ बोलना है और discuss करना है, it's a very nice thing that we are able to discuss.
You probably had the best teacher right there at home. And
Yeah,
now,
actually.
yeah, clap for you, Shabbir. Now, Jumana, one question which personally I am always very eager to know, that when the future district governor and the first lady go to the International Assembly, what is it that you bring back with you, which stays with you, which makes an impact on you? Could you tell us that? It would be nice for everyone to know that.
See, the International Assembly is a very, very, very amazing experience. एक तो एक amalgamation of culture होता है, दुनिया के सारे लोग वहाँ आते हैं. The main bond is that everybody is a Rotarian. The language, we may all be speaking different languages, but the one language जो एक दूसरे को जानते हैं जिससे है वो है Rotary का language. So जब आप वहाँ इतने लोगों से मिलते हैं, उनके views मिलते हैं, उनके systems of working मिलते हैं, उनके projects पता चलते हैं, that's the biggest thing that you get back home, that knowledge that you get back home, the friendships that you get back home. Plus अपन अपने जो country के district governors है, उनसे भी सबसे मुलाकात होती है वहाँ पे. So we learn a lot about them also. So it's a real lot of richness that I get back home, I would say.
Thanks, Jumana. I know it must have been a great learning experience and once in a lifetime for such select
Definitely.
people. It's
Definitely.
you're the lucky one.
Yeah, the privileged one.
We have framed a rapid fire only for you. So, yes. So, are you ready? Has taming the DG been the biggest challenge in your life?
Yes, definitely it's been a challenge to tame him. Not everybody can do that.
What did you have to change about him to somewhat get him on track?
The best thing with him is कि शब्बीर को कैसा है कि he has to put in he has to talk about everything, he has to give his opinion about everything, whether you know and he's very vocal. अगर गलत भी है तो वो बताएंगे कि गलत है ये चीज. So I have to tell him कि you know you have to be diplomatic, you have to be subtle. आप हर चीज को ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते आप जो पोजीशन में है. So that is the little change that I have got into him.
What has been more challenging? Dealing with this pocket dynamo or his two offsprings?
This pocket dynamo to is dynamite. Bachchas are the Lakshmi bombs, I would say. So it's a full family that you have to deal with. And as I said ना कि वो अपने को subtly हर चीज करना पड़ता है क्योंकि ये तीन अगर डायनामाइट्स मिल गए तो आप सोचो हमारे घर में क्या होता होगा. It's a lot of fun, definitely.
You have a great shair in Shabbir. Do you recall any शायरी written specially for you? कुछ याद है?
शब्बीर शायर जरूर है और but mostly it's when he's outside. घर पे शायरी बहुत होती नहीं है normally. So let me try to think. एक जो मेरे लिए बहुत टाइम पहले बोले थे वो I was like I think हाँ एक था, एक मुख्तसर सा किस्सा है. मुख्तसर मीन्स शॉर्ट. एक मुख्तसर सा किस्सा है, वह शख्स मेरा हिस्सा है. That was all that I remember about his शायरी. एक मुख्तसर सा किस्सा है, वह शख्स मेरा हिस्सा है. That is the compliment that he had paid.
वाह 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 वाह. और क्या बोलते मुझे नहीं पता. If you can take his help and ask you if there is any that he can say for you now, Shabbir, or has
Please do so.
I think what she said is something I had told her, I think many years back when, telling her she's an integral part of me. So I'll repeat that same शायरी for her today. एक मुख्तसर सा किस्सा है. एक मुख्तसर सा किस्सा है. यह शख्स जुमाना, यह शख्स मेरा एक हिस्सा है. मेरा एक हिस्सा.
Beautiful, beautiful. So thank you, Jumana, for that enjoyable little interview. And I think now Aparna has some videos for all of you.
Yeah.
Aparna?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone. I request Rotak Sakshi Maravar to play the videos.
Good evening, everyone. Wishing all you glorious women a very happy Women's Day. When Aparna ma'am asked me if I would make a small video as a tribute for Amma, the first thought that came to my mind was how? How do I make a small video? As words are not enough to describe her. Amma, let me start by saying I love you. You are the one who taught me the true meaning of being a woman. You taught me to be strong, but to also be vulnerable. You are that woman who does not shy away from embracing her qualities and strengths, but also her flaws and shortcomings. You are a true inspiration not only for me, but to also my daughters and to so many women around you. You are my pillar of strength. If I can be half as much a woman, mother, daughter, friend, and wife that you are, I would say, Zindagi Meri Safal Hui. Amma, thank you for being the beautiful woman that you are. Love you always.
Hi Amuma, happy Women's Day. I'm so lucky to have you as my Amuma. Love you so much.
Happy Women's Day to all you wonderful women. Amuma, you are a strong, kind, disciplined and disciplining, affectionate and a very warm-hearted woman. I am so fortunate to have you in my life as my Amuma. Love you always.
धन्यवाद अपर्णा जी, मिलिंद जी तथा पूरी स्मार्ट सिटी टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और यहाँ उपस्थित सभी महिलाएं, सभी पुरुषों को, अल्टीमेटली हम पुरुष भी किसी न किसी महिला का अंश है, तो आप सभी को, हम सभी को महिला दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। अपर्णा जी ने मुझे कहा था कि मोनिका के लिए कुछ बात कहनी है। ये मौका है वुमेंस डे का, और मेरी बेटर ऑफ मोनिका मेरे जीवन में एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण महिला है। इसके अलावा 2 और महिलाएं मेरे जीवन में हैं, एक मेरी माँ और दूसरी मेरी बेटी। आप तीनों को, मोनिका, मम्मी तथा खुशी, आप सभी को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ इस वुमेंस डे पर कि आप मेरे जीवन का हिस्सा हो और आपने मुझे आपके जीवन का हिस्सा बनाया, और आप ही की बदौलत मैं इस मुकाम तक पहुँचा हूँ, और आपकी सपोर्ट से ही मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू मोनिका। और मोनिका के बारे में मेरे जो विचार है वो उन्हें इन 3 शब्दों में आप समझ पाओगे। मोनिका ओ माय डार्लिंग। थैंक यू।
प्रेसिडेंट अपर्णा और दोस्तों, आप सबको मेरा
धन्यवाद अपर्णा जी, मुकाम तक पहुंच पाओगे।
प्रेसिडेंट अपर्णा और दोस्तों, आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। कुछ दिन पहले मुझे पता चला कि 3 लीडिंग जो लेडीज़ है हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट की, उनकी एक प्रोग्राम हो रहा है जिनमें उनका इंटरव्यू लिया जाएगा। बड़ी खुशी हुई सुन के कि पता चलेगा कि घर की क्या बातें हैं, क्या निटी-ग्रिटीज़ हैं, और दूसरी कई चर्चा होगी। बाद में पता चला उन 3 महिलाओं में से एक जुमाना है। कई रात नहीं सोया डर के मारे। फिर बच्चों ने समझाया, पापा कई बुरा समय देखा है अपन ने, यह समय भी निकल जाएगा, मगर डर अभी भी बना हुआ है। वैसे सोचिए तो मेरे शादी को 29 साल हो गए हैं और 29 वर्षों से डरा हुआ हूँ। दोस्तों, अगर जुमाना मेरे बारे में कोई अच्छी बात कह जाए तो उसे सच मानना और कुछ ऐसा वैसा कहे तो ये समझ लेना कि वो मुझसे बदला ले रही है। किस चीज़ का बदला? कि पिछले साल भर से मैंने घर का कोई काम नहीं किया। यह झूठ समझकर कोई भी गलत बात बोली जाए तो उसे भूल जाइएगा। बट जोक्स अपार्ट, रियली इट्स अ प्लेजर टू सी 3 women being interviewed and hearing their side of the story. As far as Jumana is concerned, I would like to say that I have seen her in different roles as every husband does. As a daughter and as a sister. मैं पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि शी इज़ बीन अ आइडियल डॉटर एंड एन आइडियल सिस्टर। जब शादी होके हमारे घर आई तो वो कभी डॉटर इन लॉ नहीं रही। पहले दिन से वो एक बेटी बन के रही, अ परफेक्ट डॉटर। और फिर उसके बाद her role as a mother, I think she is the most complete mother that I have ever seen. As a wife, she is less of a wife and more of a friend to me. मेरी हम सफ़र रही है, हर सुख दुख में
सॉरी
वो मेरी साथीदार रही है। शी हैज़ सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी सक्सेस, एवरी हैप्पी ओकेजन ऑफ माइन। और जितने दुख है वो अपने पास समेट के रखती है। अपना काम भी वो, जो उसका प्रोफेशन है, वो प्रोफेशन कम है और उसका पैशन ज़्यादा है। सो टू दिस परफेक्ट friend of mine, मेरी हम सफ़र जुमाना. So all the very best friends for this interview. Thank you so very much.
Mom, you're the most important woman in my life. You are with me all the times. You have forgiven me in every situation. You have cared for me like no one could do. Everything I needed in life. And I just want to let you know this Women's Day that you're the most beautiful and kind-hearted woman in this world. I love you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, President Aparna. That was a lovely evening. I enjoyed myself doing the job that you assigned me. I hope everyone enjoyed the interviews as well. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
सब अभी ये फेलोशिप टाइम है, तो सब एक दूसरे से बात कर सकते हैं। इसके ऊपर कोई बात करनी है तो अपने आप को म्यूट कीजिए, अनम्यूट कीजिए और बात कर सकते हैं। बहुत ही आशा मैम, आपको सरप्राइज कैसे लगा?
I don't know, I was really touched. It was a real surprise for me. Thank you very much for that, Aparna. Thank you. And of course, I liked the whole session. It was really good and got to, get a lot of insights from the First Lady and also from Monica. So I really enjoyed myself. It was a lovely evening. And thank you, Kushnur. Thank you for everything.
सुमाना मैम, आपको कैसे लगा शब्बीर सर का इंटरव्यू देख के, वीडियो देख के?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's so nice for him to say all this because वो वैसे normally ऐसे सब बोलते नहीं है, तो वो वीडियो पे सुन के I'm very happy.
मोनिका मैम,
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द सरप्राइज. और आज पहली बार मुझे फीलिंग्स पता चली, वैसे कुछ नॉर्मली ऐसी फीलिंग्स आती नहीं है, पर वीडियो के थ्रू तो आ ही जाती है। थैंक यू सो मच अपर्णा।
और खुशी ने भी आपके लिए इतना अच्छा बोला है।
और सो सरप्राइजिंगली वीडियो भी बनाया है, बहुत अच्छा लगा। वो हॉस्टल में है और वहां से रह के ये सब कर रही है, सो थैंक यू सो मच अपर्णा। थैंक यू खुशी ऑल्सो। मेरी अभी बात नहीं हुई है सरप्राइज के बाद उससे, सो मैं यही उसको एक बार थैंक यू बोल दे रही हूँ।
अपने आप अनम्यूट करके किसी को कुछ अगर पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, या किसी को कुछ बोलना है तो आप बोल सकते हो। टॉबी मैम।
Well, I think this was a lovely evening, Aparna. Very, very, very well planned. And it was great to have an insight. Have been dealing. My good friend Jumana, I know her in and out. And it was, as she rightly said, it was great to hear Shabir praise her so much. Otherwise, वो हमेशा उसकी टांग खींचते रहते हैं. So good. I was really, it was really nice to see that. And Asha and Monica, I wish you both all the very best for your respective years as leading women of the district. So good luck, and we are
Thank
all
you.
to see you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And Aparna, very well conceived program, especially for the Women's Day. And Kushnu did a fantastic job interviewing all of them. So thank you.
Anyway, thank you so much, everyone. I request Rotaract Sushma Maravar for vote of thanks.
All right, thank you so much, everybody. Hello and good evening, everyone. Firstly, I would like to say that we share a very common future, and we are here to find a common ground so that we may help bring a new dignity and respect to women and girls around the world. So I want to introduce myself. My name is Sushma Maravar, and I'm the Joint Secretary of Rotaract Club of Nasik Smart City. I would like to deliver this vote of thanks for today's evening. We are heartfelt thankful to our special guest, DGND Asha Venugopal ma'am, for joining us in the meet today and sharing such useful thoughts about Rotary. And I would also like to thank our First Lady, Zumana Shakir, year 2020-21, and upcoming First Lady, Monica Junjunwala, year 2022-23. We really appreciate your presence here with us today. And I would also like to extend my thanks to the interviewer, Kushnur Shag, District Secretary Toby ma'am, and Rotaract President Tanvi Chete. We would also like to thank DG and Mr. Anand Junjunwala and his daughter, Khushi, for sharing such a beautiful video clip, and thanks to DG Rotarian Shabir Shakir sir for such a very, such a beautiful and very cute clip. I was almost, smiling all the time, and I really wish a very good luck for both of you. We really appreciate and thank you, Aishwarya and both the grandkids of DG and the Asha Venugopal ma'am for sharing a beautiful and a very, warm moment in such a short and cute video clip for Asha ma'am. I thank you every one of you to joining us today and participating with us in today's event. Lastly, my deep thanks to the President, Rotarian Aparna Maravar, Secretary Rotarian Milind Pagar, and the whole team of Rotary Club of Nasik Smart City for organizing such a sporty event. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here with us today. And I wish you all, every one of you, a very, very happy International Women's Day in advance. Have a very great evening ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Happy Women's Day, all of you. Yeah, thank you.